Yum, check it out. Oh, the tofu ricotta is so yum. Today I'm going to make a whole food plant-based cannelloni. Instead of the ricotta filling being made out of cheese, I'm going to make it out of tofu. Instead of using pasta, I'm going to make zucchinis. So you can use zucchini or you can use eggplant. It's really yummy and it's something that I always get asked to make by my family. Start off by making the sauce. Get the veggies in that will sweat down first, which is onion, clove of garlic, carrot, some celery, some mushrooms. Okay, so here's all the chopped up veggies. Going to put some tomato paste in there as well, a couple of bay leaves, some mixed herbs, and some salt and pepper. And then we'll just sweat this off on the stove. While the vegetables are just cooking down on the stove, I'm just going to chop up the zucchini. So we'll just take the tops and the bottoms off. To get a really consistent size, I'll just slice them up with the mandolin. So they're all about the same size, and then we just need to lay them out on this baking sheet to soften so that I can roll them up with the filling. And I'm just going to pop this in the oven and we'll check on that in about 10 minutes. In the meantime, the vegetables are all cooked down. So I'm going to add 2 tins of tomatoes, and I'll just add a bit of water to the tins to rinse them out. Add about a cup of French lentils, caramelized vinegar here. And one of my friends made me this incredible vegan Worcestershire sauce. I just need the lentils to cook in this, and then we'll move on to the next thing. Start the ricotta by adding half a cup of cashews and some lemon rind to the blender, half a cauliflower as well. Blend this up, but that's all ground up. And now I'm going to add some firm tofu, break that up into the blender, the juice of a whole lemon, add some apple cider vinegar, miso paste, some Veggies stock, and some nutritional yeast. Add some soy milk just to make it blend up a bit. I've got these herbs, which is some parsley, some thyme, sage, and a bit of rosemary. Just going to give that a quick mix. So that's what the ricotta looks like at this stage. I want to just chop up and steam some kale. Just going to use my microwave steamer to cook this down so that then I can add it to the ricotta. So everything's ready. The zucchini is out of the oven and everything's nice and soft, so now I can roll it up. The tomato sauce is ready as well, and I've mixed the ricotta and kale together. So we'll start off by just putting some sauce into the bottom of the pan. This is what all of the cannelloni is going to sit on top of, and we need to leave some behind to go over the top as well. Now I'm going to roll up the cannelloni. So we'll start by making 2 zucchini side by side. Put a little bit of this ricotta in the middle, and you roll it up, and then you pop it on top of the sauce. And now rinse and repeat. So here is what all that beautiful zucchini goodness looks like. And now I'm just going to put the rest of the sauce over the top. And now I'll just tuck it into bed with some alfoil. And then pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Oh yeah. That looks pretty good to me. All right, let's serve this up. So try and pick out one of the cannellonis. Check that out. I can smell the lemon, which is just lovely. Put a little bit of salad on the side, balsamic over the top of my salad, and we'll give it a try. Oh, yum. Whoever you share this with will not be disappointed. With the lemon juice as well, it's sort of very cheesy. It's worth the effort.